Welcome to Col di Torino. Welcome to San Romolo. This is where Quattro made history.
The idea today is that I try the original Quattro and then you drive the RS e-tron GT. And I loved it. 37 years later, the technology has gone from here to there. How was it?
Fantastic.
Quattro is just fantastic, but it's still going on and on and on.
It shows we are coming from the past, but we are continuing into the future with the things we have learned, just in an improved and better way. And this is exactly what we did with the RS3.
I didn't wait the car going so fast and so stable and so easy to drive. The noise was a fantastic noise, it's a full noise. I loved this car. It's a fantastic event, fantastic opportunity for the journalist to try the new car, but to try the old cars too. And I think it's the best.
This is exactly what we want to do with this event, bringing the history and also the future to these legendary places with the race cars, with the newest products, but also showing the new dimension of high performance mobility of Audi Sport with the electric future.